Hi guys, hope everyone's doing well during this week. I wanted to pop in here and show you guys my signature flatiron wave. It's a really cool wave and I love it, and it lasts a really long time. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I let my hair air dry a little bit, so this is what it looks like. It looks kind of crazy. And now I'm just going to go in with my Revlon styler because as a few of you know, I hate blow drying my hair. So this makes it super easy and quick. So I will come back once I do that. So I'm going to start in the bottom of my hair. So I'm just going to take right where my occipital bone is. I'm going to split the back into two sections and bring them forward. Towards my nape, we're going to go and curl forward in between the clamp and twist. One time, one full circle, and let go. Okay? So this time I'm going to hold it this way, twist, and push down. So once you have the hair in between the plates, you just want to do this motion. Just one whole flick of the wrist, this way or the other way. Alrighty, so these are going to go towards my face so they can hug and frame my neck. All the hair that lays on the part, we're going to go and curl it away from our face. On the back sections, we're going to alternate the curl pattern, so we're going to do towards the face and away from the face to create that tousled look. Okay, so this is my hair all curled, and it's right now it's setting. I want to make sure that all the curls are nice and cold. Now that everything is cooled down, I'm going to take my Defy Damage serum and just a little bit, like so, and I'm going to rub it nice in between my fingers, and I'm going to take this and use it as my finishing cream. See how much shine that gives? Is insane. So once I rake everything, I just look through it and make sure it's just how I want it to lay. Like my curl right here is laying a little funky. I don't know what's going on. So I already shut off my flat iron. It's just a little bit warm, so I'm just going to pass it a little bit. And one more time. Perfect. I'm going to go in my crown and just go once or twice just to give it a little oomph. Alright, and that is how you get my flat iron wave. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any questions, just leave them down below. Other than that, see you guys on the next one.